on, boy. Come on, boy. Good boy. All right. All right, good job. You did a good job, okay? Oh, I know. I wish I could take off the bridle too. But it's glued on for a reason, okay? I know. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey, Rain. What are you doing, girl? Yeah? How's it going? Huh? Yeah? I miss you too. Hey, Spirit. You want me to ride you? Alright, I'm gonna have to ride you bareback, okay? Because I don't got a saddle right now for you. Alright, come on. Blitz. Hey. Hey, Rain, how's it going? It's going alright. So you and Spirit, huh? You guys are a thing now? Yeah, we are. We are. I'm happy for you two. Thanks. How do they survive with no food around here? That's what I want to know. Aww. You guys like each other. I know you like her, Spirit. I know you do. I know you like her. Now, how about this? How about you can stay here? Okay? I know, you want a better home. I know. Well, I'm gonna give you a better home, okay? Which is here, alright? Would you like that, boy? You want a better home here? Oh, I know. What you doing, silly? Huh? What you doing? Alright, well, I have to go, okay? I'll see you later. Man, she's really nice. I don't know who's nicer. I can't name a nicer person than Kale. But I wonder how she is with her own horse, Dreamer. I wonder. I absolutely wonder how she is with her own horse. Who's Spirit? No, I wonder how Kale is with Dreamer. Her own horse. Oh, right. Dreamer, that's her original horse. Yeah. So, if she's good with us, then how is she with Dreamer? Probably about the same. I would think. I'd hope. Yeah, you got a point, Rain. You got a point. There's not one day that you're wrong. But, Rain? Yeah? Spirit? I want to try something. Okay. I guess this means I'm yours forever. Exactly. You're mine forever. And you're not gonna leave. I'm never gonna leave you, Spirit. I'm never going to. Good. And that means that you get to meet my parents. Whichever that day that they show up. You get to meet them. My mother, Esperanza, and my father, Smokey. And my father, Strider. Are they both King or Mustangs? Yes, they're both King or Mustangs, just like me and, well, you, Rain. I love to meet your parents. They'll love you as much as I love you. But no one can love you as much as I do. You can see where he gets the romance from. So I guess this means that you've imprinted on me. You could say that. You could say that. It just means that I love you. And that I cherish you. And that I want you forever in my life. Because without you, I'm nothing. And with you, I'm something. I know where I belong with you. I know what I want. And I know that deep down inside of your heart, Rain, that you love me the same way that I do. Because no other stallion will give you what I give. No other stallion will do this every day of your life. Because without me, there would be no life without you. There'll be nothing left of me if it wasn't for you. So you're saying that I saved you? You did. You saved my life. And that just gives us a happy ending this wild adventure. Spirit. Who knows if there's more adventures to come in the future. We'll see what the future holds. Because I know that I want to go on more trips with you and more adventures. Just gotta wait and see. For right now, it's just a happy ending.